Hello everyone, I am your TECH.REHAAN. Today we'll discuss how to arrange unstructured data to structure into a table. Come on, let's go through it. So friends, here you see unstructured data. To make a structured table, use a function wrapRows. So equal to wrapRows. In place of vector, I am taking 2 columns. Now select the array, the whole data, comma. I want to ignore the blanks. So 1, close the bracket. Here we have 4 columns. So the wrap count I am taking as 4. Close the bracket, enter it. So interesting, you can see the data got structured into a table. This is today's session guys. Please support me so that I can teach more tricks like this. Do like, follow and subscribe my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.